Hello guys, how are you? I hope so everybody is fine. Yeah, that's all right. Now actually it is fixed. I'm so sorry for the issue. So we will just start in maximum like next 5 minutes. So in this way all the people will be joined. So after that we will start. You just need to just text me in the comment box like that. You just have to tell me that which pair we have to do the analysis today. Like any pair, whatever you will say to me, guys, we will do the analysis of that pair. Okay, gold. So, okay, we will do the gold analysis as well. Any other pair, just gold snipe. Actually, I think so. You guys feel little bit ashamed. I think so, and I will suggest you guys to grow up because what to say to you guys else. Okay, UST chef. Okay, we will do GJ. Okay, GBP JPY, GBP Euro. Okay. US 30. Okay, we will. Just we need more people to join. So after that, we will start our analysis step by step. Okay, gold. So mostly people they want the gold analysis. So okay, we will start from the gold. Right now it's 3:15 here. So inshallah we will start in maximum like that next 3 to 4 minutes. So hope so everybody will be there. So and this will be much more easy for us. So first of all, guys, tell me how was your trading last week? How was the last week? Have you enjoyed the analysis and all the things? Do you trade with prop firms? Yeah, we used to like that. We do all those things. Like we used to give the analysis and thus like analysis about the market. And on the behalf of that, a lot of people they come to us and they join they used to get the accounts of prop firms and they passed all those things. So, but not directly. Thank you. Okay, 2 minutes left. After 2 minutes, we will start our analysis. First of all, we will start from the gold, and step by step, whatever the issues you will have, we will start it. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, we are going to do the analysis. We are just waiting for a few minutes. Actually, it is a first live, so having some issues in the live. So just reposted the analysis, like reposted us. We have reposted the link. So hope so. Things will be easy for us and for you guys as well. So you guys have to tell. Yeah, this is the first live. So you have to just tell me first of all that which analysis you want, like any pair you will tell me that, even though that will be the forex, gold, commodities, all those things, you just have to tell us. So we will do the analysis of that thing in a simple way, not like a complex thing. So in that way, everybody will be able to understand the things, and everybody will be able to do the analysis by their own as well. Okay, we will do start from the gold. So right now, 40 people have joined. So we are going to start it within next 1 minute. So fasten your seat belts. Okay, GBP odd. Okay, we will try to do it as well. So mostly people they want gold and US 30. I've seen. So we will start from the gold, then we will go for a US 30. Okay, I will recommend you guys kindly share this live stream with your friends who are the part of the trading. So in this way, they will also be able to understand the market. And I will try to provide you the best and easy way to understand the market. And I will give you this is not the complete or detailed. This will not be the complete or detailed analysis, but this will give you a lot of understanding about the market, and it will also give you to understand like how market can goes in the future, and what are the basics things that you should have to do while doing trading. So I hope so this will helps you a lot. So let's start from the gold. So I hope so everybody is will be able to look at the screen very very carefully, and this will help out you guys to understand the stuff.
You guys to understand the
So okay, right now as you can see that I have opened here the daily time frame chart. So first of all, guys, which are the important things for the trading? First of all, whenever you have to trade any pair, I will suggest you guys to make any notebooks, like any notepads, so there you have to write all those things very very carefully. So in this way you will be able to understand the stuff very easily. First of all, if you want to trade any pair, like if you want to trade gold or any pair, first thing you have to do, that is, you have to just look at the fundamentally. Like there are a lot of websites, Forex Factory, investing.com, and even though on the trading view as well, it gives you and you from where you can also look at the things that what are the important news today we have. So you have to just look at those things. And if you're like, let's suppose if you're trading gold, you can see here that XAU USD. So it means that all the news that will be related to or that are connected to the USD, that will affect the gold much more. So you have to be very very attentive whenever there will be the news of USD, or also you have to be very very attentive whenever there will be the news in of any like country like China, it having a lot of they have a lot of reserves of the gold. So such type of countries, like you have to be very very attentive whenever there will be the news. So this is the first thing you have to on a daily basis before trading. First thing you need to do, check fundamentally that what are the important datas we have, what are the important newses we have. Then we have to move towards technically. Now you can see here that I have opened here a daily time frame chart. Now I will delete here all the drawings for you guys. So in this way you will be able to understand the things much more clearly. So now you can see that my screen is totally clear to you guys. First of all, if you will look at here gold, so you have to understand the trend of the market. First thing, you have to look at the chart and you have to look at the trend of the market. You should not have to just absorb, just you have to just absorb the chart. Like if you want to, if I want to trade this gold pair, so first of all I will just look at the trend of the market. Now a lot of people they asked from me said that right now I have opened a daily time frame chart, like how many, like how much time period we need, how much time period we need for the analysis, like 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, we need to look at how much how much time period we need to understand the market trend. So as you guys can see here, you should have to need approximately 1 year or like 6 months, minimum 6 months trend, like for the long term trend. This is what we are looking for, the swing trading, and swing trading like a long term analysis. Now, if I will start from here, you can see from October, 4 October. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to look at a trend. Now, how we will look at a trend, you can see here that market is creating higher high, higher lows, second higher high, this is higher low, and this is not a higher high. Because why it is not a higher high? Because it hasn't break this area. So it is still, though market will be the same until the breakout of above. We need to break out above from this area. And also if we are looking for a sell trade, we need a breakout below this area. So as you guys can see that we will not mark this, I will just slightly mark this area. This will not be the higher high, higher low, but it is just the zigzag, it is just the zigzag. So then after that market, you can see the start and market moves till this area like this again, and this again, this was the again higher high. Now we were like waiting for the higher low, but market hasn't given us the proper higher low. Like how I'm saying that market has not given us the proper higher low, but I will suggest you that how you have to look at the things, that how to understand that either market has given you the higher high or higher low, and either it's a right or legit higher high or higher low, or it's a fake one. So I will tell you that thing as well. But right now, if you will just do such type of drawings, you can easily understand that market is in a uptrend. Why it is an uptrend? Because market is creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, then higher high, and then again market is still, though there market hasn't given us a proper move. So one thing we are clear, that market is an uptrend. any pair you want to trade, like US 30, like any crypto or any pair, you have to first of all understand that either market is in which trend, like which trend right now, either it's a buy trend or either it's a sell trend. First of all, you need to understand the trend of the market. Now this is a first example. Now you can see here that I we have drawn the drawings of higher highs and higher lows. Second thing, we need a valid higher high and valid higher lows. So how to check out, how to understand that either our higher high and our higher low is valid or right, or like we can use it for a trading or we should not have to use it. Like we either we should have to use it or either should we should have to ignore it. So this is what we need to understand. We need to understand while doing the analysis. Right now, if you will look at here the US 30, we will do the analysis of US 30 same. So things will be like that. You will be able to understand the things much more easy, much more easy. Now here you can see like from US 30 was like moving straightly uptrend. So we need like a balanced move. Now if you will look at here, first of all, you can see here the gap 32417. So markets sometimes after a few times, whenever they will fall heavily. So this is one thing we have saw in the start of this analysis. And now if you look at here again, first of all, you have to draw the drawings, simple drawings. Like this was a higher high, higher low. Sorry. Then again, this was a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then again, like that, this was same higher high, higher lows, and same thing was happening, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and this is how market is reacting. So right now you guys can see that market is just creating like slightly retracement moves, but here you can see still though the trend is bullish. Now we have to understand same way like there I have explained to you that we need to look at the things that either our higher highs are legit, or either our higher highs are valid or not valid, or whatever the retracements we have got, either they are the legal like a valid retracements or they're the fake retracements. So now we are gonna delete this drawing and we will do the we will start our like the properly practical stuff, that either this was our first higher high, either this higher high is valid or not valid. So what we will do, we will do the Fibonacci retracements. Now how you can find Fibonacci retracement, this will be the your here you can see that third column Fibonacci retracements. On a trading view you can use that Fibonacci retracements. Now first of all, we will draw from here. You guys can see that from the low, from the start of the low I have started, and then you have to just use it there. Now you guys can see here guys, if you will look at more, I will more try to make it more zoom for you guys for your better understanding. So up so you can see here, I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement from this high, from this low to high, because this is a impulse. Fibonacci retracements is only used whenever we have a proper perfect impulse. Proper perfect impulse. Now you have seen here that only two retracements are valid and legit retracements. What are those two retracements? First is 38.2. Now you guys can see here that market jumps from here. This was an impulse. Now if market will jumps from this area, you guys can see this will be the valid retracement. This will be the valid retracement. Or second, if like market start from this area, even though fall from this area and jumps from this area, this will also be the valid retracement. Now there are few more rules to understand the Fibonacci retracement's validity. Now, what are those rules? First rule is that the retracement should have to be from 38.2 or 60. 1.8 area. This is the first rule, that my retracements should have to be from this area. Like, and one more thing you guys can see here, I will also explain to you that sometimes market used to give like fake moves, a lot of fake moves. So you have to understand that thing on the behalf of your own. Like that, you guys can see here that market has like from here market starts a movement upside. Now, second thing is that market can also start movement from this side. This will be also valid Fibonacci retracement. Again, you have seen sometime that market has shown you some wick, like smaller wick, like sometimes large wick. You have to only look at Fibonacci retracement should be still though valid if we got a closing of next candle from the high of 38.2 retracement level, or from the high of like a 61.8 retracement level. So that will be still though valid retracement. This is the first rule. Now, hope so you understand first rule. Let me again explain. First rule should have to be that Fibonacci retracement is only used whenever there will be impulse. Second thing is that Fibonacci retracement is only will be valid if we got like a retracement move until 38.2 or 61.8. This is the second rule. Third thing is that you have to wait. Like if you are looking at you guys can see here that market has given this area. If market is in between that area, like it is just struggling in between that area, you should not have to take a trade. You should have to take a trade either market breaks from this area, from like high, or either market breaks this low. Like if market will break this low, it means the trend will be definitely changed, because your bullish trend, for the buy trend, we need higher highs and higher lows. For the bearish trend, we need the lower lows and lower highs. So for the bullish trend, we need a higher high, higher low. And if market will obviously break this area, and then we need a retracement again. For the second retracement, we have to look at the trend. So they send good signals but scam a little bit. When they lose trade, they cancel later. Now they send good trades but smooth. And cancel a violent storm. What means cancel them? They delete the messages. Okay, so from here again, I'm mentioning you that you have to look at higher highs and higher low. You have to like figure it out those things very very carefully. Now we will just delete that drawing and start from the analysis again, step by step. So this is, you can see that we have got a retracement here. Now your second Fibonacci retracement will be started from this area. You will mark all those important areas. I think so. I think so. Let me. So you guys can see we have to mark first of all two areas. What will be those two areas? First area will be from where market starts. From where market starts. So from here market starts and where market ends. So this will be the area from where market ends. This is a higher high. And now from here we got the retracement. From here we got the retracement. So next Fibonacci retracement area we will start from this area, because market has already broken that area. So this move we will just take a on this area. So next time, guys, this area is become the support for the us, and we have to look for the buy trades whenever market will come to this area. You understand? This is the low, this is the high of impulse, and now we have deleted that trend, like a line trend line, or like we have deleted that horizontal line from this area, because this is not valid for us. Why? Because market has already broken this area. So this has become the support from us. So these are the two supports right now we have for the gold. What are those two supports? 1810 and 1932. Actually, guys, I think so. Even though skin can ignore this channel, we don't force them to general channel. They lost a lot of signals. They send signal, lose and cancel. Sometimes they cancel it, bro. Calculate yourself. Sometimes they cancel it. So I think so, guys. Better to look at the things what I'm trying to teach you, and I think so. Instead of commenting and doing useless stuff, so I will suggest you guys better to learn something, and that will be much more good for you guys. So if you're starting from here, like that, now we will start Fibonacci retracement from this high to this high. This from this low to this high. So you guys can see here, guys. Now one thing here you can see that I'm not assuming this area as a high area. Why I'm not assuming this area as a high area? Fibonacci retracement will be only used whenever we will have a proper closing or near to closing area. Now here you guys can see that this all the closing was the fake move, like a market just goes upside day, market falls downside. So we will not assume that as a legit move. So we will just use our Fibonacci from this will be assumed as the impulse for us. Now you guys can see here, if we draw here that this was the first, from here you guys can see. Let me, like again market creates a higher high, and then this was a higher low. Why it is higher low? Because you guys can see here that there's a 61 retracement level, and market didn't give us a closing properly below that. So still though it will be used as the supportive area. So you guys, I have told you again one more thing, that we will only buy if market give us closing above this area, and if market will give us closing below this area, we will sell. Otherwise, these two areas will be the supportive area for us, and this will be the resistance area for us. So now let me delete all the drawings for you guys. Then we gonna start it. So first of all, this is our supportive area. Secondly, this is our supportive area for the future of the gold. Why the supportive area? Because this is a low, this is a high, higher low again, then again higher high market create. And this is also the authentic higher low for the gold move. So now you have seen that we will not like if this is the next higher low. So we will not start from this area. This is not impulse. Why this is not impulse? Because market has not given us a closing above the recent high. So this will be the same, that it means that this is just a supply and demand zone area, even though it is not the supportive area. So you guys have to look at when our market will give us closing above and below that. So if you will start from here, you guys can see that now next closing was there. Now next closing was there. And if you will look at more clearly to that area, you have seen that market still though did not give us the closing until 38.2 retracement area. Now first thing is clear. What is that thing? That thing is that we didn't get any retracement of the move from 1973 till now. Right now, gold markets are 2233 area, but we haven't got any retracements. So, and after that, instead of that, market should have to go downside. Markets are still pumping. According to that, as right now market is at 22347 area, we need a retracements. But you have seen in our VIP why we are looking for the buying setups, because right now gold is moving a lot of things due to fundamentally we are in the sport and we are in the favor of the gold buy, and some due to Fair's policy, and they have told that they will increase, like they will not they have to cut the interest rates. So whenever there is a need to cut the interest rates, the a lot chances and mostly market slightly moves upside. So this is why still though we are in the buy trend. But one thing we need to mention, we need to understand, that thing is that we haven't got retracement. This will be the drawback, and one day, like maybe after 10 days or 15 days, whenever we will have any strong data, as last Friday we have a data of GDP, oh sorry, yesterday we have a data of GDP that was indicating a sell. So if again we will get approximately 2 to 3 datas of regarding that are in the favor of the sell, we might see the retracement until 21336. So this will be the retracement, because for further upward movement we need a retracement. Now again, this is what I am telling you technically. I hope so you guys understand. So what a better support right now for the gold, we have only three supports on the behalf of day one time frame. What are those three sports? First sport is at 1818, second is at 1935, and then we have a support of the gold at 1976. So, guys, whenever you have to trade, you have to understand that our next support for the gold is at 1976. That's a legit sport that from where you can like blindly take the trades. But right now, whatever gold starts movement from 1976 till right now, we haven't got any retracement. So we might see the retracement in the future. We might see retracement in the future. So you have to be prepared for that, and you have to be do the trades. You have to do the trades in that trend. So I hope so you understand my this analysis. And if you have any question regarding this analysis, just let me know. Okay, this question is that what is the maximum gold could reach? So, guys, right now as market is moving, I will tell you, I will show you one more thing. This is really good questions. This is really good question. So, I want this question from you guys. So, whenever you will ask such type of questions from me, I will surely answer to you. Now, this person has asked from me that what is the maximum for the gold sir you think that market can go? Now, if you will only talk about Fibonacci retracement area, still though we can get the answer that until there, until where market we can see the gold movement. So we can see right now this was the area, guys, 38.2 retracement area on the behalf of Fibonacci. Now you can see here the beauty of Fibonacci. Fibonacci has already told me that I will go till 2185, and you can see market has again and again. So this is why this area, on this area we were looking for. Because guys, learning is the most important thing. If you ask here on the comment box a legit and professional questions, I will definitely answer you. So this will not only help out you, this will help out other people as well. So right now the next possible target for the gold is 237, that I have also posted in our like in my last signals of the gold, that we might see 2340 2340. If we got a closing of this, like you can see here the right now closing at 2233, if we will get next week closing above this area, if we will get the closing of next candle of day one above 2220 area, you will guys will see surely about gold. Like I will also mark that areas for you guys, so in this way you guys will not have, I think so, confusion. So guys, this is the area. Now why I have chosen this area? Because of this high is closing. So if market will give us the closing above this area 2232, on that day one time frame, or even though if we will get the closing above 220 above on the daily time frame chart, you guys will see this will be the next possible high for the gold, 2340. So are you able to understand, bro? So what is the maximum goal? So this I am Abdullah. So your this question is resolved. I hope so you understand that our next possible target for the gold is 2340. And news now affected. Yeah, actually, Paul has one few things we have to understand regarding Paul's. Paul has told us and also given us the statements that they will increase 2 to 3 times. So it means they have to cut the interest rate. One thing is sure. So and also I have explained to you that whenever there is a need to cut the interest rates, it helps the gold to move upside. Now let me tell you in the example. You know, like whenever any country they increase their interest rates, no people wants there like if you I will ask from you that you guys you have to invest in any business. If your country is giving you a better interest rates, like better returns on your investment, obviously instead of doing your own businesses you will come towards that bank and you will give them like, okay, I will give you the money, just give me my just give me like 18 to 20% interest rate, that's all. So this is all, this is how the market works. So whenever any country, any banks, or any place they increase the interest rates, automatically all the people they come towards them, and instead of investing in gold and commodities and etc different type of stuff, they only invest in that particular economy. So whenever any country increase the interest rates, automatically that country's like currency becomes strong and becomes strengthened because of a lot of investment. And on the behalf of other, a lot of the people instead of doing different investments and other stuff, they use to invest in their country's economy. So this is what gold, like, because you know gold is a reserve currency, so in this way gold markets falls downside and other markets like a USD currency will moves upside. If again Powell's, whenever right now Powell's has not increased the interest rates because it has just given us a statement that we need to increase the interest rates and we will increase the interest rates at least 2 to 3 times. So this is really dangerous statement. This is really dangerous statement. So that's why manipulators and market manipulators, they have that slightly manipulated the market and they have just boosted. They have just boosted it. So in the future time, one thing is sure that we will see this area. I will mark this area for you guys. And also you guys have to look at this area in the future. If we will see any closing above this area, guys, let me delete and more clear to you. If we will see closing above this area of the day one time frame chart, so I'm sure for you guys that we will see 2340 in the next couple of weeks, maybe in next couple of weeks. So 2340 is the possible area. And again, if market will fall down from here, so right now we will have a support of 2188 and 84. From there you guys can still though look for the buying scalping trades whenever market will comes to this area. So this is the analysis for the gold. I hope so you guys understand. If you have more questions regarding that, now I will figure it out. I will simplify simple the things in few points. First thing is that, guys, the move of the gold, that we have like got the move of the gold, we haven't got any retracement. We haven't got any retracement. So and sometimes you guys, if you I will tell you, let me, in 2017 and in 2016 when our markets clears the higher highs, so at that time and still though for that we did not get any retracement from that area. So this is not sure that always we will get the retracement, but 80 to 90% chances are that we used to get retracements. So from here again we can start the retracements. In the future time we can start the retracement from this area like 2143. From there we can start. So this is not a headache, but this area, this whole area, what we will do for this area, we will just mark that area in the future time. Like in the future time we will just create a box here like a long box here. Like whenever market will come areas, I will not gonna trade. I will not gonna trade because got any retracement on this area. We will only trade a trending market. I have explained you in a start of the video that first thing we need to look at the news is, second thing we need to look at technically, and technically first thing we need to look at the trend. If we are not understanding the market trend, or if we are looking that market is not in a trend, or it is just moving, just moving, so it means we should not have to take the trade. Now last week I was not looking for the US 30 trades. And from many weeks, you have seen that I'm trying to ignore US 30. Now, the reason behind that, this is a reason. If you will do the retracements, you will not find anything. So it means that guys, that market is just simply moving and just pumping like that straightly from here to there. So this is not a trend. This is not a trend of the market. So I should have to ignore it. And either if I want to trade of this market, you guys can see here, if I will delete all the drawings from here, you will see here that from here we got a slightly trend. Now what was that area? Yeah, we have seen a trend from this area. You guys can see here. Now we will only start like a trend of this market from here, and we will also mark this area from this impulse, like this was the complete impulse, and we will mark that area that this is the fake area. Like if market will break below 3700, I will not gonna trade US 30. I will or not gonna trade US 30. This thing you have to be short, very short about it. Now you get, as I have mentioned, that from here we got a trend of the market. Why I'm saying to you that we have got a trend of the market, you guys can see that we are getting the proper closing and proper higher highs and proper higher lows in the market. So this is might be the valid area. So okay, if you have any questions regarding that, you can ask, guys. Okay, thank you. Do you use ICT SMCS analysis? Yes, I used to do. I am Abdullah. I used to do all the things like ICT, also concepts. I use FEJ, like and all those things I used to use. But here I'm just giving you the like small tips, and so in this way you will be able to understand the stuff. So I'm not trying to make the things complicated to you. So because in this way all the people will be able to understand the stuff. So how to know where to put the fab thing to see where it could have a retracement? So brother, first of all you have to look at the retracement. Retracement is only possible whenever there's an impulse. Impulse means there's a proper low and there's a proper high, so that is called the impulse. Okay. Terminator group, he giving educational videos. Shut up and listen. Okay. They're very good. Thank you. How to know where to put the five things, and so to see where it could have a retracement. Can you also show to the setting of the both fibs, and what does closing on price means? Okay. I will explain to you. So first of all, now I'm starting from this area, guys. Now this is your answer, BWBDDDD and blah blah. So this is, I'm just going to give you the answer first of all. Now if we want the retracement of the bullish move, from where we will start? First thing, we have to look at the low. Now you guys can see that this is the low. From here market start. Now from this is the first bullish candle, second bullish candle, third bullish candle. We need accept it a Fibonacci retracement level if we will look at least minimum two to three bearish candles. Now here we have get only one bearish candle. Now look at very carefully. I'm just giving you a slightly bit about this. Now here you guys can see still though we will increase. Now here you guys can see that we have seen two bearish candles. We will assume it as a Fibonacci area. So whenever we need to mark this area, we will accept this area as a support area. So this will be the support in the future. Whenever market will comes to this area, I will look for the buy trade. Now if you will look at here, before that, you guys can see that market is still respecting that area. Then after, we have to look at the things that whenever market gives us the retracements and how the market changes trend. Now you guys can see that market has broken this area. Then after, from this area, market has started the bearish trend, the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows, and this is not a lower low, this is the lower low. And then again, market has created, instead of creating here lower low and lower high, market has just broke that trend and just break that area above side, and market has created the higher high. Now again, market starts its new trend. This is why I have started retracements from this area, because from here we got a change of the trend. You guys can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then still though market is moving. You got the point, guys? BDB, I hope so you understand this thing. So one thing more, he was explaining about the retracement, like he was asking that sir kindly give tell us the settings. So I'm opening the setting here, guys. This is a setting. Guys, if you have any questions, just do let me know. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Actually, I have explained to you that predictions are still though that we can look for the 2340 if we got any closing of a Monday or above 2220 area. So 2220 area is important area for us right now, gold. So this is very important. Yeah, I used to do the analysis, and the analysis for the lower time frames are slightly bit different and difficult. I think so for the starting, like if this is a basic class, and I think so in the basic class, the basic things will give you much more knowledge. Why don't you make video how to trade market and education stuff? Yes, and actually I think so. Sometimes it seems like that's a wastage of time. Sorry, but this is sometimes it seems like that a wastage of time, because a lot of people, they are just here for the like a scalping, and they are just scammers, approximately 80 to 90% people. So like they just come to here, just they want just money, they just want to double their money, that's all. They are not into the educational stuff. So yeah, I used to provide a course as well. But the thing is that a lot of people, they are not into the learning thing. Now you guys can see that here I want to give you the like a proper class, like a proper education stuff. But a lot of people, they are not into it, because they know that we will get the signal and that's all. And they are just looking for the like how to make the money double, and they are just like gamblers and that type of stuff. They are not into for the learning stuff. So, do you guys think that gold will go to 2500 or 2000? Yeah, we can look for 22 350. I have explained to you again. I'm telling you that this is the area, guys. This is the area. Sorry, 2232. Sorry. Yeah, I explained to you that right now we have few buying areas for the gold. First area is that if we will get the closing above 2220, and second we have a buying area that is above approximately 2184 something area. So this is the area, again we can see the buy from that area, 2184 or 80 area. This is again buying area. or better buy would be approximately on this area 2168. So if we will get a closing above this area, so we can see 2340 area. This will be area we can see. Okay, also let me make it that Fibonacci retracement for you, so for the better understandings. So you guys can see that we have next 2237. This will be the area where we can look for the next goal target. If we will get any closing above 220 area, the next target will be this area. Sorry. So this will be the next target. Okay, what does closing on price mean? Closing on price mean like if we are looking for day one time frame, right? You guys can see here day one time frame. Now just look at very carefully. You guys can have seen this wick. This is a wick. It means the closing was 2188 because market has closed at this area. Market just moved till this area, but market has closed at this area. So it means that market is still though it is below that area. So we can see the bearish trend. So right now closing mean the closing of this candle, like the closing of the candle. Now this is the start of the candle. This is the wick. This is a low, and this is the high, and this is the body. The closing means the body closing, not the wick. You guys can see this is wick. The closing of the body was 2186 and the opening of the body was 2181. So this means opening and closing. Okay, why do you typically have your SL for 50 pips? So actually, I used to do the analysis not on the like high time frames. High time frames are for the like the long term trend of the market, and there are further a lot of theories and a lot of educational stuff. So from where we can understand technically that where we can look for the market. So normally, I only like look at the things whenever I used to get a more minimum stop loss for the entry, so then I only enter for that thing. So nowadays you guys can see the movement of the gold. 50 pips is just a penny for the move of the gold. Please do such live explaining market condition and what to expect. I really enjoyed it. Thanks for the really appreciate it. Thank you very much for the understandings, and thank you very much for all of you to be here. So I think so, guys, that was enough for you, and I hope so you understand the stuff very well. And if you have any questions regarding analysis, you can ask from me. So then I will try to wind up. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. So always just subscribe the channel so for the further updates. So I will try my best to be live on only on every day, like whenever we have a weekends. So okay, Fab extension setting. So brother, this is the Fab, and this is the setting style. The style is that this is the extended line, like where I'm what I have online like clicked and what I have switched off. You can see here. Thank you very much, Sandal. Thank you very much. And this is the coordinations of the bars, visibilities, and that's all. I hope so you understand. IDM responsible, but nobody has replied. Kindly, they will reply you. Our support team will reply you. Can you stay there? So, guys, thank you very much for your time, and please do tell for swing call how to book the profits. So for a swing call, guys, on like let's suppose I have given you here the buy. No, I will give you the example here. Now let's suppose right now market is at 2233 area. I have given you the buy of the gold 2233 area. My stop loss was 2225, like 80 to 90 pip stop loss. So we used to book the profits at 60 to 80 pips. Now in last trade of the gold, we have booked the profit like 80 to 100 to 150 pips. Some trades we have booked the profit of 150 pips. Sometimes we booked at 80 pips. It's up to the market condition. Whenever we are confident in the market, we used to book the profit, and we on the a big scale. Like last trade of the gold, we have booked the profit at 150 pips. Instead of booking at 80 pips, we have booked at 150 pips. So it's a depend upon the market condition, that how market is moving. So on the behalf of that thing, whenever we mention that book some profit, so it means that you have to close like one lot and like a one trade. So you have always open for a two trades for the gold swing signals, one trade for book some profit, and second trade you can hold for the long term with the same stop loss and the same TP. So this is how you have to do. So guys, that's all for you. I hope so you understand, and a lot of love for you guys, and kindly take care of yourself and stay blessed.